and they will be take up the smart. Should by this time no should be hauled before the court.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But one more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano the meeting the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka sem be say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko message here.
It is a kayeye sana. Na judges no ya chichi MPP NDC for so omo so didi atem na judges no so musuma wan remind you bi mo yes sana and they will be take up the smart. Should by this time no should be hauled before the court. Can be tell up omane boama Mugabe my friend say Ansah Bobie Ansah mo them. You all know, you see it, and you see the judiciary. Everybody who have insulted, no, you know, says those insults. A lot of them are coming from the NDC side. So, as a president and a father for all, no, why do you become father for some? And you can say, no, then judiciary so judges, no, some judge, we are judge, now prepare prayer under Article 125 of our Constitution. Also, justice is mandate for the people. It shall be mistake in the name of the people. Meaning, judge be a wasu weni. The akosu organ and yamunim. The judge be anywhere you will be free. Or the buffet. Of when they say, moon na mobile. Moon yamu ya Ghanaians. Judge, mu read the papers. Mu tie news. Judge be brewa. Make us say, omo that 2 station. Mo show me.
So
Mushe television,
TikTok,
Mushe Kabitela, Muke Kabitela,
Facebook.
And that's how you to be judge and say, for say, most of them to be television. Namo Kasakasana on the pandemic case in them. It says that is Mushe television.
Yes.
Now Mushe that can be say, so you are judge and you see, say they are presenting one-sided people. All the people are able to be MPP
for
you have the right to question what is happening in this country. We are not seeing you judge. You should every judge should be able to say, hey, these people are not the only people insulting and misbehaving on social media. But some of the judges are quiet, and they are happy that they are dealing with certain people. But forgotten say Amama is left with less than 2.5 years to go.
Yeah.
I was surprised when Nanado did 8 years. Was me who you Nanado did 8 years. See, Mama, they need me also proud. They say you were made. June, July, your Christmas. You 2027, dear Mama. But so you say the first of my young primary school. 2028, yeah. Mama. When you go to 3 years old, 3 years. Oh, baby, this is the time I saw you, baby. Legacy, this is the time. I was expecting you to ask, President Obama, you should have been somebody and Kawo. You use your legacy here. Can this term should be a legacy term? One, say that 4 year, all the reconciliation committee by. I was expecting Mama to say, oh, we need power no. Researching should be more of bringing all Ghanaians together. Avoid avoid discrimination, selective justice, be father for all, If so maybe mundi, maybe muso comment the omo. These are the things that we have to understand. So obi ndi no obi comment the obi. What do I say? Na what the natural resources in the way say everybody will get some. Oh, but if you don't do that, now I didn't quite say be NDC for here about power. It is said here to be the war. Here they were quite say be the attempt. Here we are man for. But we position not kasa ukas fin a better. If they we channel and channel a bimo de comma family friends. Ghana resources in their coming friends and then bright Simon Bright are raising a serious issue. Say what the minds Niama Ibrahim Mama no. Instead of a parliament approve mineral lease no. Ibrahim Mama told you good no without parliamentary approval. It's when MPP bar, then they will look into it. Ibrahim Mama will be in trouble. Ibrahim Mama, you'll be in trouble. You see, this time you found the way people you are handling the opposition. Ibrahim Mama, issue fake check, dark check, and people and take you on. But don't forget, say it is not yet over. People don't understand. Mami chemo law. Odi bone na court and clear wa. Sa bone no ini expiry date to. NDC for mmobo. Say mo for say when you are told general or you no prosecution. See, no prosecution. Do you know what it means? I told you say on fele say we prosecute into that trego. Sa na tie. Eti mo enne attorney general ejamunia komado formo. You are not free yet to force him. Obi attorney general ba be jani mu bia no. Unye free. What it means that attorney general say ono ya NDC ni on to be prosecute NDC ni into that true ho. Say na MPP what so na almost chamount to be almost chamount to be here dia. You to fa chamount to be court no. Actually ho na mobile na mbe page no. Say 4 years old, say 8 years old, say 12 years old, 16 years old, we will go back and then at the beginning we do social media no. You bought all the at the beginning no. Damn we losing elections no. The new IGP beba and CID beba no and cyber unit no. They will be interested in that video because that video is evidence it doesn't expire. Since that video and Ibrahim Mama, don't think that your brother is making you getting all the gold into you are free. He is subject to review. Resetting. You better reset to money list no. You to be reset. And I can even say every crime that has been is not being prosecuted today will be prosecuted tomorrow. And judges say the Omar will say there is MPP and NDC judge. Into any day. NDC for judge or children so MPP judge beba. I did mama na come to me tomorrow. I judge this mama there. Mama do kan kwade MPP judge no ho. That is why say na yen nsuo mo. Ena yen panel mo. Ena mo nya adwuma. Ena NDC judge no mo nya adwuma. Enti me miss sa. MPP. Yes so ya ma MPP judge so aba. Ya chendi.
Thank you dear. Ya wo kan chere ni dear. Thank you. What thank you bisada. Entino.
Thank you, no. You are a serious one.
Yeah, yeah. I'd rather you should be
as I'm not a prophet.
So for David.
Yeah, that's.
So what I say.
A president, prophet, what does he? President, does he? But any politics, they are politics.
And or the whole regions,
probably the whole Ghana.
They say where we.
But so many shows where we. Many shows where we. Man, thank you, pa. Oh, thank you, pa. Now, but you say we are sure some prophet 1 TV crowd. Thank you, never. About that Ghana first. We are sure say had a baby prophet. Original thank you, no. New Mercury to 1.5.
That's why we come say thank you to.
Kumasi waba.
Abi no ana. Asofo ye mfansia. Ewari sha Ghana fo. Onyame abra munso. Ene ye ndusu ni pa ina ntum ne kamera me hye awrade. Obefa no tumi so age waye wabie nhira. Ye de mapa ade amande de ya practice ase be ye. Na wapie wanu ye akase. Onyame ba Christ one wo adini ye. Forward ever, backwards never. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. To me no eye awrade de ye ko. Awrade be ye ade nyina foforo amani nhira. Ayeye dia. Na ya bie ano akase wonyame ba Christ no. One wo adini ye. So for ama ase unu sanka wan fa se no sam to many.
Robert, and now me anka some news me.
Cause ama me si afem. Me kwasi bi si cause.
Ana prophet Ewra Johnson said ketia de NDC no prophet. Sabe me hu so akoye busu apanyin.
Yeah.
Ti the numa sem bia mu du.
Yeah. Oye busu apanyin so ampa.
Ti. Say me say ba.
Apanyin so ampa. Already shall Ghana. Oh Jesus Christ Nazareth demo. Enti ye de besia.
Ozo na da no. Se mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections yeko. E no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders are KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentimi because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me women say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kwa kaya de wasa go to me we say oh, I mean say we say people for yakronfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals dem ma so mo yakronfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors so mo yakronfo. You say anya Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete. Nanze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibia nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open ko nkete. Is any one. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma say o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. ɛna ewura John Dramani Mahama ko gyina ɛfɛ sɛ nkanfo mu gafo ka kyerɛ sɛ oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia utilization bia ɛna gafo sɛ okay ne beto aba na ma bum 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 mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi